All right, so now in this video, we're gonna learn elbows. All right, now, elbows. Elbows, I love elbows. And every one of my students, I want them to love elbows as much as I do, okay? They are knives, they're blades. They can cut open flesh, like seriously. And they're part of our bodies that a lot of people they just don't even think about elbows being a weapon. They just don't, but they don't know how dangerous they are either. So to us, they're just joints, but they can really cause some massive damage. So if you do train with a partner, go slow. Make sure you have some headgear on, you know, and also maybe some padding for your elbows, okay? So here we go with some elbows. This is what I want to call our cut through elbows, okay? So let's call them number 1. So elbows are gonna be like this, okay? So it's just like a hook. Your hook is straight. Your elbows are cutting straight. And when you deliver elbows, your hands are gonna go in towards your chest and curve like this, okay? Curve, just like that. Think of like a chicken wing, okay? Like a chicken wing, okay? So now for our ones we're going straight across. So I'm gonna go 1, 2, 1, 2, okay? 1, 2. Now those are just the first set of elbows, okay? Now we're gonna go on our second set. Second set, think of them as X's. They go down like this, okay? So our guard is like this. I'm gonna start with my right elbow downwards, just like an X, just like that. And make sure your guard is up. Okay, so even though I'm delivering an elbow, and remember my hand is coming this way, this hand here is ready for anything. It's ready for elbows, it's ready for a cross, okay? And the guard is up to where I can even bring it up this way if I'm gonna guard against a head kick. Okay, so just like that. All you need is one eye. So anyways, X, 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 X. Okay, so that's 2. Now, 3. 3 is your up elbow. So it's just up, up. Okay, my guard is a bit higher right here around my face, and I want to go up. So it's not out here, it's not like that. These are up elbows. They're meant so that your elbows can go between your opponent's guard. So if my opponent's guarding up like this, see this area right here, this channel, is perfect for a up elbow. Okay? 3. Now, our 4th set of elbows. This one here is over the top. So I'll show you, it's like this. So I bring it up like this, like I'm loading, and then I come up and then down. Okay? Just like that. Now they're not out like this, okay? Because there's nothing here. It's got to be right here. So it's got, like your up elbow is right here. Bam, down elbow is in the same area. Okay? So those are 4 elbows. Let's go over this with the Bob dummy here. Now, elbows are when you are on the inside. A lot of people become uncomfortable when they are on the inside, but I don't want you to be uncomfortable. So when your guard is up, we're gonna do the first set of elbows, which is slashing from the left to the right. Okay, so I'm gonna come here and go shh, just like that. Shh, shh, shh. Okay, so I'm gonna start from the left to the right, just like this. Okay, this arm here throws me off. Okay, so now we're gonna elbow. So we're gonna elbow from the left to the right, our first set of elbows, just like that. And now we're gonna do our second set of elbows, which is the X, starting with our right. Okay. You can strike the face with your X elbows, although they are meant for the collarbones. Okay, that's where I like to aim for. Just like that. Okay, and now we're gonna do the up elbows, our third set of elbows. So we're on the inside here. Just like that. And remember to pivot on your foot as well. So it's just like when you do your jab and your cross and you're pivoting, but you're just pushing up with the balls of your feet. And here with the cross, it's turning, but it's just lifting up. Okay, same thing here, just like that. Okay, and now we're gonna do the fourth set of elbows, which is over the top. So here I'm keeping my guard this way, bring it this way, downwards. Here, downwards, downwards, downwards. And also make sure you lift up. Make sure for a tall opponent like this, I'm lifting up, bam, bam. This fourth set of elbows, you know, it works great when you clinch, okay? So it's not like I would say, I want you to do the 4 elbow right off the bat. So when you're in a clinch, you bring the head down, bam. See what I'm saying? In a clinch, bring the head down, or whenever you're in the clinch, bam, let go, head goes back. Okay. Now, when you are on the inside, just so you know, there is spear elbow. Spear elbow isn't really going left or right or up or down. It's just like this, and that's it. It's like you're blocking your ears from a hook to the head or a kick to the head. It's just bending just like that. Just like that. Okay? Also, works on the face too. Doesn't take much. It's just a simple push, 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 push. Okay? Those are your elbows. Elbows are fun. You know, just don't go crazy on a heavy bag with your elbows. I've seen lots of people do it. They'll find a part on the heavy bag and just start going, you know, and then they end up burning all their skin off their elbows, and then they're unable to practice elbows. So there are elbow pads. There's also sleeves that go over the mid part of your arm, which I use to protect my elbows when I do training on a heavy bag. And hopefully I'll have those accessible on the website. But those are elbows, foundational elbows, 1 through 4. Don't forget about the spear. Just all it is just that. Okay? So, practice your elbows. We'll see you in the next video. Cup and cup.